I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off private browsing mode in Safari on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap the ellipses in the Safari address bar. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap All tabs. If you're in private browsing mode in Safari, you'll see Private is selected at the bottom of this screen. Step 3. Tap the Tab option on this screen to turn off and switch out of private browsing mode back to regular browsing mode, and then tap the blue checkmark icon. This window will close, private browsing mode will be turned off, and you'll be back in the normal browsing mode in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.